everyone, I hope everyone are fine. Sorry for the interruption of the videos. I could not able to upload them as I am working as a tutor in an academy. But this time onwards I am going to upload the videos regularly. So now let us start our today's class. Our today's class is based upon acceleration due to gravity. First, what do you mean by acceleration due to gravity? Acceleration due to gravity is nothing but it is a net acceleration that is imparted to objects due to the combined effect of gravitation of the earth and as well as the centripetal force of the earth. Here, a body of mass m that is detained said as small m is placed over the earth where the distance from the center of the earth and body of mass m is r. Then what will be the acceleration due to gravity? First, as you already learned that gravitational force is equals to gmm by r square, where capital M is the mass of the earth and the small m is the object which is placed over the earth. Then we know that acceleration, normal acceleration is equals to F by m, that is the mass of the object. Then acceleration due to gravity, g will be equal to F by m is equals to g capital M by r square, where capital M is mass of the earth, r is radius when object is placed over the earth. Then finally acceleration due to gravity, g is equals to gm by r square. Then in terms of density, acceleration due to gravity, g is equals to gravitational constant into where density is equals to mass by volume. Then mass will be equal to volume into density, that is volume of the earth, that is 4 by 3 pi r cube into density by r cube, r square, sorry. Then g will be equal to gravitational constant into density 4 pi r by 3 r square and r cube. After cancellation we are going to get r. So the relation of gravitational acceleration due to the gravity with density will be equal to g is equals to g into density 4 pi r by 3. That's clear, very simple. Let's look after a problem based upon the acceleration due to gravity. So here they ask us to find the value of acceleration due to the gravity on the surface of a planet. So it is other than the earth, where the mass is double that of the earth and the radius is half of that of the earth. So then as you already know that the acceleration due to gravity formula will be equal to g dash will be equal to gm by r square. As I already mentioned that the mass is twice that of the earth and the radius is half of that of the earth, that is r by 2 whole square. Then g 2m by r square, 2 square will be equal to 4. Then the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of other planet whose radius is half of that of the earth and whose mass is double that of the mass of the earth will be equal to 8 times of acceleration due to gravity on the earth. So that's fine, that's clear. So the relation of acceleration due to gravity with related to the time period of the pendulum, t will be equal to t is equals to 2 pi under root L by g. Therefore t is inversely proportional to under root g. And in case of parabola, if the body reaches the maximum height, then the relation of acceleration due to gravity with relation to the maximum height will be equal to h max will be equal to u square by 2g. Then h is related to inversely proportional to that of g. Then range will be equal to u square sine 2 theta by g. So range is inversely proportional to g. So maximum height and range both are inversely proportional to g. Moreover, weight is equals to mg. So weight is directly proportional to g. That's clear. Now let us look after another problem, relation to the height and acceleration due to the gravity. Here a man can jump to a height of 10 meters on earth. Then find the height to which he can jump on the moon. So first we need to know the relationship between the acceleration due to the gravity with respect to that of the moon. Acceleration due to the gravity with respect to the moon will be equal to less than 6 times to that of acceleration due to gravity that is on the earth, that is g by 6. Moreover, we know that relation of height with respect to the acceleration due to gravity, height is inversely proportional to g. So h1 by h2, h1 is related to earth, h2 is related to moon, will be equal to h1 that is related to earth by g into height h2 that is moon will be equal to gm, where gravitation of moon is g by 6 into g, that is 1 by 6. So h1 by h2 will be equal to 1 by 6. As you already know that the height on the moon, the height on the earth is given as 10 meters. They ask us to find on the moon. h2 is equals to 6h1, that is 6 into 10 will be equal to 60 meters. That's fine, clear. So now we learn how to do problems based upon the acceleration due to gravity. In my next class, I am going to teach you how to do problems based on acceleration due to gravity at a height h and a depth of d. Stay tuned. Don't miss any of my class. Take care. Have a nice day.